Carbohydrates are the most abundant biomolecules found on the earth. They are made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and they are also known as hydrates of the carbon. Okay, so they can be classified into following types like monosaccharides, disaccharides, oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. So what are these classification? What are these monosaccharide, di and polysaccharides? Let's study in this video. So first of all, we know that carbohydrates are made up of these three atoms: carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, and so they have these three elements in them, like carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. If the carbohydrate is the monosaccharide, so what is monosaccharide? It will consist of only one unit of the sugar, right? Only one unit will be there. Like the best example of monosaccharide is the glucose molecule. So in glucose molecule, this is the simplest sugar found in living organism, simplest form of carbohydrate, known as monosaccharide. Mono means one. So only one unit of the sugar will be present in the monosaccharide. So that's why it is known as monosaccharide. Monosaccharides are also synonymously used with the term sugars. So these are the sugars which are sweeter to taste. So that's why this glucose is known as monosaccharide, and it contains only one unit of the sugar molecule, only one unit. So if the two units will join together to form a disaccharide. Okay, so another disaccharide, another form of carbohydrate is disaccharide. Di means two. Okay, so there will be two units joined to form a disaccharide. Disaccharide, those two sugar units can be glucose. Both the units can be glucose or some galactose, or glucose plus fructose. So if the glucose plus glucose is there to form a disaccharide, so it will be maltose. So maltose is the example of disaccharide, right? Maltose is the example of disaccharide. Another example of disaccharide is if the one unit is glucose and the other is galactose. Galactose is also a monosaccharide like glucose. So if the one unit of the disaccharide is glucose and the other is galactose, that disaccharide will be known as lactose. Lactose, we know lactose is a milk sugar. Lactose is a sugar which is found in the milk. So lactose is the best example of disaccharide. Another example is sucrose. Sucrose is also one of the example of disaccharide. It is made up of glucose plus fructose. Sucrose, we know that we used sucrose. Sucrose is also called as the table sugar, which we use in our kitchen. So that is the sugar or sucrose is the example of disaccharides. So sucrose, lactose and maltose are the disaccharide sugars. After that, there can be trisaccharide, three units will join. But the term oligosaccharide can be used for short chain of sugar molecules like 2 to 8, 2 to 9, 10 molecules will get joined to form an oligosaccharide, a short chain of sugar molecules. So that will be termed as oligosaccharide. So can we say this disaccharide is a oligosaccharide? Yes, we can. Disaccharide, trisaccharide are also the oligosaccharide. But 2 to 8 molecules, let's say 2 to 8 molecules of sugars 2 to 8 units of sugars will get joined to form a oligosaccharide, an oligosaccharide. After that, the last one is polysaccharide. Polysaccharide. Poly means many. So many thousands of sugar molecules will be linked together to form a whole big molecule, the large molecule, which is known as polysaccharide. And the best example of polysaccharides is starch, or we can say glycogen. So these are or cellulose. So let me write starch, glycogen, cellulose, or the peptidoglycan. So these are some polysaccharides which are the example of these are some polysaccharides which are made up of so many sugar molecules, like thousands of sugar molecules. The chain of sugar molecules will be formed, the branches of that chain will be formed, and the whole large molecule will form to form a one polysaccharide, which is starch, can be glycogen, peptidoglycan. These all molecules we know that found in plants, and some peptidoglycan is found in some bacterial cell wall, cellulose and starch found in plants, and glycogen is also found in some animal cells as a storage molecule. The sugar will be stored as a glycogen in the animal cells. So these are some types and the types of the carbohydrates, right? So I hope it is clear to you. I will make another videos in that I will discuss about the structures of monosaccharide, disaccharide, oligosaccharide, and these all sugars for you. I hope it is helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you so much.